About that time. Gotta get it washed. Oh, we just got her washed. Still steaming, look at that. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Oh yeah. Yeah, well, we just got her washed over here at the Blue Beacon. Let's see if it's there. It's a little blurry, but as you can see, she's nice and clean. Got all that salt off and everything. Look at that. That whole side, there was a Schneider in front of me, then there was me, and then look at, there's another Schneider. Man, must be a Schneider Bay. All right, man. On to the next stop.
Okay.
One thing I cannot stand. They've been doing this for miles.
the movers. For those who...
Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Yeah, so we're stopped at this. Can't really say where I am, but I'm down for the day. I'm gonna take my break and then finish the rest of it tomorrow. Well, no, I'm gonna go home tomorrow. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go home tomorrow. So tomorrow I'm gonna go home. So I'll stay here, do my break, and then start heading home tomorrow. I got Mama out here playing around. Good girl? Yeah, good girl? Uh-oh, you're stuck. You're stuck on the tire. Oh, there you go. There you go. Good girl. Yeah, so, all right, have a good one.